Today I'm going to show you guys how to repair a master switch by yourself. If it's intermediate, it works, but kind of stalls going down. So here's a quick fix. Once you get it out the car, there's a label. Just remove the label or cut it so you can get into the switch. You need 2 flathead screwdrivers to just pop off each switch. Just pull it upwards, they'll come out. The last lock and unlock you don't have to remove. On the side, there's going to be 2 tabs on each side. Just pop them up. As you're popping up, just pull upwards a little. Okay, once you remove it, this can stay in place. So right now the problem we're having is with the driver's window. You have to press it hard for it to go up or down. So we're going to remove this part, which you just push out the tab on each side and it'll just pop out. There's only one way it can go in and come out. There's 1 tab here and 2 tabs on this side. Once that's out, you're going to remove the 2 little clips right here. As you can see, the color completely burnt. Remove this one also. And then if you look at the contact points, they're so corroded, they're not getting any contact. So you're just gonna give it a quick clean. If you have a wire brush, or you can just use your flathead and just clean off the points. And if you have a Q-tip, or once you clean it, okay, so all the corrosion off the tabs are gone, and then you do the same for these 2. Just try to clean it off. Also, if you have a wire brush, it'll be faster. You can just Alright, so once it's all clean, you just reassemble it back. So only one way it can go back in because of the grooves. You just line it up with the grooves. It doesn't matter which one is which. Once it's in, you just reassemble this part. Put them back in the tabs on the side. And if you have another problem with another window, you can take it out the same way, clean it, put it back in. since you have the cover out, recommend can take these out, the little filter, and wash it or brush it off, clean it before you install it back into the car. Just snap back on, make sure this part is in, just snap it back on. That's it. And then you put back in your covers. The one with the double is the driver, and the hollow part goes on the bottom. Just put it on, just press it down until you hear the snap. And that's it. Install. Should work. Also, if you need to purchase a new one, I'll put it in the link below. We do offer it. We have it in aftermarket China and we have it in dormant.